I got another package in the mail today, and I'm going to show you in a second what I got. Everything that I got in the package is free. I got it on Amazon, and I got it through a rebate site. So what I do is I find specific items that are on rebate, buy them, and then in 35 days I get a check back. I'm making these videos so you can see that this site is working and that I am getting checks. Make sure you subscribe to my channel because you'll see that I'm going to be getting checks in the next couple days to the next month. And as long as I'm getting checks, you can feel confident that this site is working. If you want to get free stuff like I'm getting in the mail, make sure you look for the link in the description box. Here's the box of stuff that I got on Amazon, and we're going to open it up. Let's see what we got inside. First of all, we got, this is a yoga belt. Let's see, what is this? Oh, these are little blades. These are little blades for your razor. What else did we get? Let's open this up. As you can see, I'm having a heck of a time trying to get this thing open, but I think there's mascara inside. Almost there. Yes, it's some mascara. I got some mascara for free, some beeswax. Well, it has beeswax and chamomile in it. Let's see what else I got. Oh. These are ink cartridges, which everybody knows these are kind of expensive for your printer. And then Madison pulled something out of the box for herself. That's a little table that Madison can take on vacation with her and do her crafts on, or her work, or her coloring.
I love coloring. I love coloring.
Here, turn it around. Show it around. Turn it around, see what it is. So it has sides and stuff like that. And I think you can, it has a place to put your tablet, and then you can draw on the hard surface. Here is all the items that I got free today in the mail. If you would like to get free items from Amazon, make sure you look for the link in the description. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and make sure you look for my other videos.